White squirrel here. Let's just keep melting.
So here's a small pile of components that I know aren't good anymore. We got some alternators, some air conditioning compressors, little water pump hidden away in the back there. So we'll take those components apart, strip them all away, and scrap them. But after that pile, I have some other potentially repairable items. Air compressor, an old boat motor, and some heads and another supercharger from another Detroit generator. So we'll start plucking away at those later on in the winter. But for now, let's see what we can get out of these scrap components. Well, done disassembling these components. They weighed in at 10 pounds, 14 and a half ounces. Still got a little bit to clean up off of them. Not too much. So let's put them in the furnace and see what kind of yield we get out of this 10 pounds, 14 ounces. There, nice quick melt. That's why those components are my favorite to toss in the furnace. Well, that was the last of the disassembled components. Let's weigh them up. Ooh, 4 pounds, 12 ounces just for that big bar. Total tally is 9 pounds and 1 ounce. If we compare that with the initial component weight of 10 pounds, 14 ounces, that gives us a yield of roughly 88%, which is not bad considering most of that slag I'm going to toss back into a crucible and try to melt it up again. All in all, this is a pretty fun meltdown. I got a total of 26 pounds roughly for winter projects, plus all my other components, and it ended up melting. I'll keep that for another snowy, stormy day.